mainit na mainit po today. Gusto kong maghilamos sana pero I have this fresh Jeju Aloe Ice cooling facial wipes. I wanna freshen up. So, freshen up na tayo. Feeling fresh na ako. Fresh Jeju Aloe Ice 3-in-1 Niacinamide Cooling UV Sunscreen. Try muna tayo. Intriga talaga ako dito. Usually, yung ginagamit ko na ganito is gel on top of that sunscreen. I double layer with this one. Amazing, especially if you store this one in the fridge. Super lamig ang feeling mo talaga. Ano-ano ba ang hair problems ninyo? Meron ba kayong problema sa tangled hair? Frizzy, damaged, hindi malambot na buhok, madali bang maputol ang buhok ninyo, meron ba kayong maraming hair fall, and the list continues. Meron akong solusyon sa mga problema ng buhok nyo. So if you wanna know what is this holy grail hair mist I've been talking about, let's talk! Yes, you heard it right. We will talk about hair care, something new, something fresh in the market. This is from Hairlab. Their new 15-in-1 Hya plus Keratin UV Refresher Hair Styling Mist. So lahat-lahat ng mga problema na binanggit ko early on, may solusyon doon, mga pretties. Alam nyo ba na just one spray ma-absorb ng ating buhok ang benefit of using this hair styling mist. They have two variants, which is the Floral Blossom and the Fruity Fresh. They have the same ingredients, the same packaging, the same weight, which is 15 ml, the same hair benefits, but only different scent. As we go further with this video, I will add a clip. I tried to use this while I am on my day's work, even though I have a company car with me, but I really opt to have a motorella ride. I commute just to test this UV Refresher Hair Styling Mist to check kung sino ba sa dalawang variant ng kanilang scent ang mas matagal na magstay sa ating hair. I tried commuting, walking around, and I tried doing my exercise in the evening. Watch for that later on as I will insert the clip on that particular activity that I did on my daily work. But before that, we'll see what is this 15-in-1 Hya plus Keratin Floral Blossom. It has Shine Complex, hair fragrance, good for styling, and UV protection. Enjoy the 15-in-1 hair refresher mist that has an irresistible and long-lasting scent inspired by a warm floral blend of jasmine and vanilla. It has 15-in-1 benefits, which are it softens, shines, smoothens, detangles, anti-freeze, tames fly away, nourishes and strengthens, long-lasting fragrance, heat protection, UV sun protection, anti-hair fall, manageable hair, improves volume and texture, repairs dry and damaged hair. It is for pre and post styling care. How to use? Spray 6 inches away in a misting motion and to damp or dry hair. Spread evenly and style as usual. Reapply as needed. 6 inches away. So bango. They have this Fruity Fresh. The same lang talaga but of different fragrance. This one also has same 15-in-1 hair benefits, long-lasting scent inspired by a sweet tangy blend of exotic fruits. This one has jasmine and vanilla in it, and this one has exotic fruits. Gusto kong ipakita sa inyo na basa ang aking buhok na I will spray this. Then later on, I will try to commute using the mozzarella. And we will see, we will wear test everything. Using the toner and also the UV cooling sunscreen para makita natin ang magiging resulta ng aking skin also, and also the hair, if talaga bang long lasting ang bango. Dito sa right side, we will use the floral blossom, and on the left side we will use the fruity fresh. So spray. On the left side, we will use the fruity fresh. Super bango ng aking hair. Lakas makasosyal, parang may perfume ang buhok mo. I will try to commute later using the mozzarella, right? We'll see the result on my skin and my hair. I'm going out in the office. This is my skin, the hair from the UV mist. Update later, guys. Time check, it's 3:15 in the afternoon, and this is my facial situation now. Only the sunscreen and the dark spot toner ang ginamit ko, and my hair shiny siya. Matame naman niya konti ang fly away ko. It's 6:25 p.m. and this is my face and my hair. Meron akong mozzarella experience and walking kasi nag-field work ako, so I will smell my left hair. This is the fruity fresh. Meron pa siyang smell. Sa right, the fresh blossom. Meron pa siya pero konti lang. Time check, it's 8:30 in the evening and I'm doing a exercise. We will see what's the result of my skin and my hair after I will sweat. I'm using the stationary part. Pinawisan na ako at hinihingal na ako. Ito ang aking skin condition now after a very tiring and long day. I tried really to commute and ride the mozzarella so that I can test the strength of the UV hair mist, if tatagal ba ang bango niya, and still the scent is there. My reco is the fruity fresh kasi mas maamoy siya compared to the floral blossom, but still floral blossom has a scent but hindi lang siya super strong compared sa fruity fresh. I'm so sorry about the way I speak because meron siyang expander na nilagay dito sa upper gums ko para makorek na talaga ang aking biting kasi I have a problem with my biting. I will shower na because I'm very sweaty with that exercise during night time. With the video clip, you can see that ang fruity fresh na fragrance ang long-lasting. Floral blossom has a milder scent compared to fruity fresh. What are my thoughts upon using this hair styling mist? What struck me the most is its unique claim having a UV protection to our hair. We are always using our gadgets, especially now that I'm using the ring light, so I am exposed to UV, so I have to have a protection on my hair. Aside from that, it has a unique ingredients having hyaluronic and keratin in it. Usually, these ingredients are found also in skincare, but this hair styling mist has this unique ingredients. It's like you have a perfume on your hair, especially now that our climate is very humid. We need to smell fresh all day long. Aside from that, it makes our hair healthy, and you can use this on your pre and post styling protections. It has a lot of benefits. This hair styling mist is perfect also if you are commuting using angkas, you are always outside doing field works, riding jeepney, exercises in the gym, kasi meron siyang long-lasting fragrance. It depends upon you on which type of scent you like to use during your day's events or daily activities. Convenient and easy to carry because of its very cute and on-the-go packaging. If you want to buy this product, you can avail this by visiting the Watson stores nationwide and its online stores in Shopee and in Lazada. You can have this at 119 pesos. So that's about it for today's video. I hope I was able to enlighten you with this new product of Fresh Hairlab. Thank you, Fresh Hairlab, for sending this over. Thank you for watching, beautiful people. See you on my next videos.